series. They want to start off with one win. They want to play loose today. Nothing to lose and everything to gain. And having said that, kasamang iyan, obviously, hearts go out to them. And nung dati, akyat pa.
Definitely, hindi mo pwedeng baliwalain. Alyssa Valdez.
Keep changing things that already have been working. And so today, the girls will be playing today just as they have been all season. But that being said, they also can't help but be sentimental about things. And actually, when I talk to them about it...
By the way, can we just say, if we lose the opportunity, sabi kumausap sa kanila, daming, I'm sure they're getting it from the whole school. We're going to need it. Because so far, Alyssa Valdez looks like she is on target.
Definitely has a lot of success here in the early part of the first game.
Pero call para sa Ateneo. They're down by 2. Colorado. The rookie Bea Dillon, perfect set naman kasi. Donaldson's a 3-play. Don't miss a spike. I think 6-2-3-6 for BFF.
To Gia ng maganda.
Although good, nag-dive si Denden Lazaro na ihatid pa rin yung bola.
Grabe yung reception. And Alyssa Valdez, avoiding the block. Grabe.
Owishiawa Vocal.
Again, boom, that point courtesy of a block. So, ganun ka-importante yun for De La Salle. This time, Alyssa gets a break here. So, yung pag-control ng lower body niya dun sa puwersa ng upper body niya sa serve, yun ang napoproduce na kami serve.
It's saved by Macandili, pero 4 touches.
So far, De La Salle has had touches of those Alyssa Valdez stumps, no? Yung mga hulog ni Alyssa. Pero hindi lang nila na ibabalik. Pero hindi tulad ng Game 1 na talagang walang katao-tao sa mga spots na sinuhulog ni Alyssa.
Another good same trajectory as Morados, if you notice.
Yeah.
Morente. Tabla na naman tayo dito. 13 all. Morente again.
Morente, such a big help. Meron nagtatrabaho sa harap to bring on the points.
Good reception there from Macandili. Pagkakataon para sa Ateneo. Lazaro goes to Morente. Nahuli na yung block. Nahuli yung block. Dokian.
Ano to parang spark plug ng Ateneo itong si Morente.
Here, she has taken over the role of Ella Jesus na si Ella dati. Mamalit.
Iba yung Ila Santos.
Iba yan. One of the, I really remember her as a fighter other than, she yung physical talent niya that she can fly.
Yeah.
The thing about Ila, hindi nagpapatalo yan. And that was the time when manager of Ateneo, Tony Liao,
hindi pwede tapik-tapik dito sa Ateneo. Ayan, with those kinds of hits from
too easy.
Yeah, that's gonna be too easy.
Nice block. Recovery. Oh! Macandili was there, pero inagaw ni Desiree Cheng. So, nangyari, puntos. This is what the people came out to see.
Very true.
And again, I think La Salle is playing with less emotion. When I say less heavy, hindi yung heavy, mabigat kasi yung game 1 eh. Dalan si Ara, nakita nila, no? Libre dun sa likod para kay Henry Aguero. Abante na po ang Ateneo.
This for La Salle for double digits in team number 1, right? No, so but with right now,
alam niya kung ano yung dapat kailangan ng dalawang team.
Gandaan. Yan,
pinapaluwag yung pakiramdam ng mga players. Lagi niyang pinasisiya yung mga players para walang tensyon.
Pero yung timeout na ni Coach Tide, napakaganda ng tao niya.
Oh, that's outside. But, unfortunately for Don, hinabol niya eh. Hinabol niya. Mitch Morente serving. Cien Cruz is in the match. Oy, regalo! but they were not able to take advantage. Again, a dig from Denden Lazaro. Fajardo. Demecillo. Coverage from Morente. Valdez from behind. Fajardo.
That's a good play. Good return from Eliza.
Free ball for Ateneo.
Watch out for Eliza. Again, Zalmiro.
Again, the situation. Ateneo is 1 win away from a title. LaSalle wants to win 1 here in game number 2. De Jesus sent back. Is it out? It is. Four straight points for the defending champions. Down 7. Bante ng dalawa ngayon.
Right, Kim has only 2 spikers. That's Baron and Demecillo. So, fewer options. Hervis ace. Wow, Morente is doing the damage on the service area.
Enjoyed playing and then watching volleyball, so eventually I want to play it competitively, so let's see.
Okay, and usually, ba't niyo bumaniya?
Maraming salamat, Lau. Babalikan natin yan si Kiefer mamaya na to be interesting who he's rooting for. Pero we'll leave it at that. Selves. 22 serving 23. Exciting first set
Ako,
action.
regalo.
The joust. Oh! Nobody there. So set point for Ateneo.
Of the game. Ito, regalo na to for LaSalle, but Gia Morado. Lumaban kay Soyud.
Set point. Fajardo. Pagkakataon para sa Ateneo. Binigay kay Valdez. And the first set will go to the